Imagine a place where majestic landscapes, vibrant culture, and architectural wonders collide. That's Gujarat for you, the jewel of Western India. Nestled on the country's western coastline, Gujarat is a treasure trove of diverse scenery, from the surreal white deserts of Kutch to the lush greenery of the Gir National Park. It's a state steeped in rich culture and history, with its architectural marvels telling tales of a glorious past. Embark on this journey with us as we explore the best sceneries Gujarat has to offer. Our first stop is the Rann of Kutch, a mesmerizing white desert that stretches as far as the eye can see. Imagine a landscape so vast, so breathtaking that it defies belief. This is the Rann of Kutch, a white desert that spans thousands of square miles in the westernmost region of India, Gujarat. Its name, Rann, means desert, and Kutch is the district where it's located. But to merely call it a desert would be an understatement. It's a canvas painted by nature, a spectacle of surreal beauty that changes its hues with the passing hours of the day. During the monsoon season, the desert is submerged underwater, transforming into a vast, shallow sea. As the water evaporates, it leaves behind a crust of salt, creating a shimmering white expanse that dazzles under the sunlight. It's a sight so mystifying that it feels like a mirage, a dream from which you wouldn't want to wake up. What makes the Rann of Kutch even more unique is the cultural vibrancy that thrives amidst its stark whiteness. The region comes alive with color and music during the annual Rann Utsav, a festival that celebrates the local culture, cuisine, and crafts. The contrast of the vibrant festival against the stark white backdrop of the desert is a sight that leaves visitors spellbound. The Rann of Kutch is not just a desert, it's a testament to the resilience of life. It's home to a variety of wildlife, including the endangered Indian wild ass and migratory birds that travel thousands of miles to nest here. It's a paradise for nature enthusiasts and bird watchers, a testament to the intricate balance of our ecosystem. The Rann of Kutch is a spectacle that challenges our perception of deserts. It's a place where silence speaks volumes, where the vast emptiness is filled with a sense of wonder and awe. It's a place that makes you realize how insignificant we are in the grand scheme of the universe, yet how beautiful our existence can be amidst its vastness. The Rann of Kutch is truly a sight to behold, a testament to nature's artistic prowess. From the stark white desert we move to the lush greenery of the Gir National Park. Nestled in the southwestern part of the vibrant state of Gujarat, the park is a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Spread over an area of 1,411 square kilometers, Gir is the last refuge of the Asiatic lions, and the only place in the world where you can spot these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. A walk through the Gir National Park is like stepping into a world that time forgot. The air resonates with the call of the wild, as over 200 species of birds fill the silence with their melodious songs. The park is also home to a variety of other wildlife, including the Indian leopard, sloth bear, and marsh crocodile. But it's the Asiatic lions that are the true kings here, their regal presence commanding respect and admiration. The park's landscape is as diverse as its wildlife. Picture this: dense forest areas interspersed with grasslands, rugged hills, and winding rivers. The Kamleshwar Dam Reservoir in the heart of the park is a sight to behold, especially at sunset when the golden rays of the setting sun dance on the water's surface. But what truly sets Gir National Park apart is the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. The Maldaris, a tribe of cattle herders, have been living in the park for centuries, their lives intertwined with the wilderness. Their peaceful coexistence with the wildlife, particularly the Asiatic lions, is a testament to the incredible balance of nature. So, if you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination that offers a unique blend of scenic beauty, rich wildlife, and cultural heritage, the Gir National Park should be on your bucket list. It's not just about spotting the Asiatic lions or listening to the birdsong, it's about immersing yourself in the rhythm of nature and witnessing the beauty of life in its most primal form. The Gir National Park is not just about wildlife, it's about the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. Next, we set our sights on the serene beaches of Diu, a coastal paradise that offers respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Nestled at the southern tip of Gujarat, Diu is a small island that boasts of pristine beaches, azure waters, and an atmosphere that is both tranquil and invigorating. Imagine a place where the only sounds you hear are the rhythmic lapping of waves, the rustling of palm fronds, and the distant call of seagulls. This is Diu, a place that invites you to leave behind your worries, to relax under the shade of a palm tree, and to let the cool sea breeze wash over you. The beaches of Diu are not just about tranquility, they are also about scenic charm. The golden sands, the emerald sea that stretches out to meet the horizon, and the clear blue sky overhead create a picture-perfect postcard that is bound to leave you mesmerized. Whether it's the popular Nagoa Beach with its iconic hoka trees, or the secluded Gomtimata Beach located at the western end of the island, each beach in Diu has its own unique charm. And yet, there is more to these beaches than their natural beauty. They are also a testament to Diu's rich history and cultural heritage. From the ancient inscriptions found at Inscription Point to the imposing Diu Fort that overlooks the sea, the beaches of Diu are a treasure trove for history buffs and explorers alike. But perhaps the most enchanting aspect of these beaches is the sense of peace they offer. In a world that is increasingly fast-paced and stressful, the beaches of Diu serve as a gentle reminder of the simple pleasures in life. Whether it's watching the sun set over the sea, listening to the soothing sounds of nature, or simply enjoying a quiet moment of solitude, the beaches of Diu provide the perfect setting for reflection and relaxation. The beaches of Diu are a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. Finally, we ascend to the cool climbs of Saputara, a hill station that has stolen the hearts of many. This hidden gem is nestled in the Sahyadri range, offering a refreshing retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. The name Saputara translates to the abode of serpents, a moniker derived from the local tribal folklore, adding a mystical allure to this captivating hill station. Saputara is a haven of scenic beauty, where every twist and turn reveals a vista more breathtaking than the last. Rolling green hills stretch as far as the eye can see, blanketed in a misty veil that adds an ethereal charm to the landscape. The lush green foliage, punctuated by vibrant bursts of wildflowers, paints a picture of serenity that soothes the soul. But it's not just the stunning landscapes that make Saputara special. This hill station is a cornucopia of cultural richness, with a strong tribal heritage that adds a unique flavor to the experience. The Tribal Museum is a treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits that tell tales of the region's indigenous tribes, offering a glimpse into their rich culture and traditions. The tranquility of Saputara is something to be savored. The serene lake. Saputara, nestled amidst the hills, is a perfect spot for a leisurely boat ride, while the Echo Point offers a mesmerizing view of the sun setting over the distant hills. The cool breeze that caresses your face, the melodic chirping of birds that fills the air, and the soothing rustle of leaves underfoot create a symphony of nature that lulls you into a state of blissful calm. Saputara is more than just a hill station, it's an invitation to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, to explore the richness of tribal heritage, and to find peace amidst the tranquil hills. This charming hill station has an undeniable allure that draws visitors back time and again, each return visit revealing new facets of its enchanting beauty. Saputara is a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature and find peace in its tranquility. Our journey through Gujarat's best sceneries has been a delightful one, showcasing the state's diverse landscapes. We've traversed the surreal white expanse of the Rann of Kutch, a captivating desert that changes its hues with the shifting sun. We've explored the majestic Gir National Park, home to the regal Asiatic lions, a sight that instills a sense of awe and respect for Mother Nature's creations. We've lounged on the pristine beaches of Diu, a coastal paradise that offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. And lastly, we've ascended the rolling hills of Saputara, a serene hill station that has captured our hearts with its verdant beauty and soothing climate. This journey has been a testament to the rich and varied landscapes Gujarat has to offer. Each location uniquely beautiful, each with its own story to tell. It's been a journey of discovery, of immersing ourselves in the natural beauty that surrounds us, of appreciating the simple yet profound pleasures of travel. Through the lens of our camera, we've aimed to bring you the essence of Gujarat's scenic beauty. But believe us when we say, the real experience is far more enriching. So pack your bags, lace up your travel boots, and set off on your own journey of discovery. Do let us know in the comments which part of the world you want us to explore next. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to bring more such journeys to you.